Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will go to discuss about class 10 from CBSE, class 10 trigonometry chapter. Actually you can get the videos of trigonometry from the playlist. The basic idea or the preliminary idea I have already given to you. Okay, now in this video we will going to discuss some solution regarding the trigonometry. Okay, from class 10 CBSE. Now let's start. So first we will go through very short answer type question. Very short answer type question. Okay, so first I have taken that one question. We have to show that, show that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. So let us take LHS, sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Sec square theta means 1 by cos square theta. Hope you are able to see the board. 1 by cos square theta. Okay, plus cosec square theta 1 by sin square theta. Now this means cos square theta into sin square theta. This is sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that's equals to 1 divided by cos square theta into sin square theta. That means 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta. Now 1 by sin cos square theta means sec square theta, and this means cosec square theta. That's equal to RHS. Proved. Okay, let us take another question. Next, I have already taken one more question, and the question is given here that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta minus cosec theta whole square. That we have to show. So here we have to take LHS. LHS means 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, now this is 1 minus cos theta, this is 1 minus cos theta. I have multiplying. Here we are writing the multiplying. We have to write multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so this is 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. This is 1 minus cos theta whole square by this is 1 minus cos square theta. That's equals to 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta divided by this is sin square theta. Okay. Now this can be written in the form of 1 by sin square theta minus 2, this is cos theta by sin theta into 1 by sin theta into plus this is cos square by sin square means cot square theta. I am writing directly or writing one line, cos square theta by sin square theta. This is cosec square theta minus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus cos square theta. This can be written as cot theta minus cosec theta whole square. That's equal to RHS. Okay. Next, move to another question. Next, I have taken one more question on the left hand side. You can see it easily. Sin theta minus 2 sin q theta by 2 cos q theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So here LHS is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin q theta by 2 cos q theta minus cos theta. Taking sin theta common and cos theta common, we are getting 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Hope you are able to see the board. So this can be written as tan theta. I am writing it here. Okay, and this is the form of, if we write so this can be written in the form of tan theta. Okay, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, as we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Here this is tan theta. This is obviously cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by this is cos square theta minus sin square theta. If we cancelize, we are getting tan theta, and that's equal to RHS. Okay, next move to another question. So here first we have to prove this. Hope you are able to see the board. So first we are taking LHS. LHS is equal to sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now here taking LCM. If we take the LCM, then we are getting the values, that is I'm multiplying sin square theta minus cos square theta directly, and this can be written as sin theta minus cos theta whole square plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square. So here this can be written as sin square theta minus 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, and this is obviously sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, plus this cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Cancellizing this, so in the above, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta, this is 1 plus 1 divided by this equal to 1 minus this can be written as 2 sin square theta minus 1. So that's equal to 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, next move to another question. So here it is given the question 1 plus 1 by tan square theta into 1 plus 1 by cos square theta, that's equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. That's we have to prove. So let us take the LHS. First we are taking LHS. 1 plus 1 by tan square theta, 1 plus 1 by cot square theta. Okay, now this can be written in the form of, if we break it up in sin and cos, So we are getting this is 1, this is cos theta, sin theta, or sin square theta, cos square theta, by sin square theta, and this 1 plus this can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta, that is sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, so from here we are getting that this is sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta, and this is cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, this is 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta. Now this is 1 by sin square theta, and this can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So from here we are getting the value, we are multiplying, we are getting that this is equal to sin square theta minus sin to the power 4 theta, proved. Okay, next move to another question. So here one question is given, science question, you can see it, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square, that's equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cos square theta, we have to prove. Now first we have to do this question taking LHS, that is sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square. Now this can be written as sin square theta plus 2, sin theta cosec theta means 2, okay, this is cosec square theta plus this is cos square theta plus 2 cos theta sec theta means 2 plus sec square theta. Now this sin square theta and this, that means this equals to 1 plus 2 plus 2. Next we are getting plus this is cosec square theta plus this is sec square theta. From here we are just writing this is equal to 5. We know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this can be written as 1 plus cot square theta plus this can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. 5, 6, 7. 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta, that's equals to RHS. Okay, this is LHS. Hope you are able to see it. Next move to another question. Next we have taken one more question, sin theta by 1 minus cos theta, that's equals to, we have to prove that cosec theta plus cot theta. Taking LHS, this is sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now we have to write multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta. We are getting sin theta 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta, and this equals to sin theta by sin square theta. Okay, and this is 1 plus cos theta. This can be written as 1 by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means cosec theta plus this is cot theta, that's equal to RHS. Okay, next move to another question. Next I am taking another question here, question number 8. These are very short type question of CBSE class 10. Very short type, trigonometry. Okay, next move to another question. I am taking here that tan theta plus sin theta divided by tan theta minus sin theta, that's equal to sec theta plus 1 sec theta minus 1. That's we have to prove. Okay, so let us take LHS. I am taking LHS, this is as LHS. Okay, now if we multiply, this is tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta by, this is also sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, hope you are able to see the step. Next we are taking sin theta common. In bracket we are getting 1 minus cos theta plus 1 sin theta common, 1 minus 1 plus cos theta minus 1 by cos theta minus 1. So this can be written as sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1. Okay. Sec theta plus 1, sec theta minus 1. Next move to another question.